Today's video we will be discussing about the 10 good reasons to go to the graduate school. So graduate school is the university where you go for your MS, MPhil or PhD, and there you go for the research and you submit a thesis and get a good qualification according to the field that you are going to pursue in your professional life. But after undergrad studies, there must be some reasons there must be reasons on the basis of which you will be taking the decision of undertaking the very expensive and time consuming study of the graduate school. So what are those reasons? I will be explaining 10 good reasons why you should pursue your graduate studies. So first reason is to invest in your future. So why it is a good investment for your future? Because it is an academic version of the professional training. It enables the students to graduate with all the right knowledge and with all the right places. When you are jumping straight from the undergrad study to the professional life, there might be some things that you are not well equipped and you might spend a lot of time learning those skills. And as it is sort of a very professional environment in the graduate studies, you just take an extra study without prolonging your education time. You can go for the graduate education, you can learn new things, you can transition yourself into the professional life, and it would be a very good investment. And the other reasons are there also to support this reason. The second reason would be that you have to get noticed in today's job market. In today's job market, there are a lot of undergrad people and they have degrees in their hand and they are not getting really good jobs. So how can you get noticed when you don't have any extra qualification other than your undergrad degree? Then you can go for the graduate studies, and there you will get some skills, you will get some academic prowess, as well as you will have some connections as well that we will be discussing next as well. So the next point, which is the getting more than a qualification in the graduate study, is this point is that when you are going for the graduate education, it is not just a piece of degree that you are getting. You are going in an environment which is much more professional as compared to the undergrad degrees. You meet different people from academia, you meet from different people from the industry, and you learn more, you develop your skill independently. If you are doing research, that includes that also improves your problem solving abilities as well. So all of these things are helping you make a better professional for your future life. Another reason is that you want to pursue your interest in more depth. If a person likes biology, then he may go for the graduate studies in biology, maybe MS, and if he likes biology more, then he may go for PhD in biology as well. So any field that you like more and you want to pursue that as a career in future, and you want to study that field in depth, then you can go for the graduate studies in that field and contribute accordingly in that field as well. The next reason is that that is again very similar to the previous reason, is that you contribute to the world's knowledge. So when you are studying a field in depth, then you are producing something just like thesis or original research, where you define some topics, develop new processes, do some very hard work and produce something new in a particular field. And doing so, you will be contributing to world's knowledge. If you are a programmer, you will be writing new code, you will be writing new workflows, and that will help the people that will come next in future. And the next thing is that when you are doing all this hard work and you are working in a field very diligently, and people get people notice you, your teachers, your peers, and maybe connections from industry. So all of these things will be helpful in making connections when you are working in the field. And as a result, when you are making connection, the next reason I would say is that you can increase your financial prospects by getting graduate degree, because you have achieved all the skills, you have made connection, and that will also translate into increase in your financial prospects. And the next reason may be that you would get academic recognition as well. When you are writing thesis, when you are writing books in your graduate studies, when you are contributing to the articles, everything that you do, you will get some of the academic recognition which is related to it. And another reason to go for the MS or PhD is that we read books from different authors, and those authors are people from academia most of the time. And you can just go on to someone you admire and write to them, and you can if they are doing research and that is the research that you want, then you can go on and work in their lab, right? So in that way you can work with the best of the industry or of the academia and or any field in which you are want to work in future, and working with them will help you grow as well. And in the last but not the least is that you will be having an internationally recognized qualification, MPhil, PhD, especially PhD. These are the things that get noticed in industry or in the job market. People are much more recognize these qualification, and they will be able to give you the chance. If you are looking for immigration, changing your countries, working in developed countries, then getting these educations will help you excel in your life. So if you want to get ready for the grad school, then subscribe these channels and like this video, share this. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, just click here and you will be able to subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video that I will post in the next week. Thank you so very much.